Weri ta rongo mō tātou, hana mai koutou. Kau e mataku ki ta hana mai ke mea ia nā te rongo pai no tō tinana. Nō reira kia kaha tātou ki matara. O tātou katoa. Nō reira hana nui ake e ngani. Hana mai rā ki tēni wahanga o tātou ki o pai hoki te mahi mō koutou tinana. Kia ora rā tātou.
E tiwi, Ngāti Maniapoto me ona hapu maha tēnā koutou. During these unprecedented times, the health and well-being of our whānau is absolute priority, especially our kaumātua. Please check in on your karaua or your kuia as often as possible. You may be aware of the Ministry of Health guidelines, and they have prioritised flu vaccinations for all of those 65 and over. Please encourage your kaumātua to get vaccinated either at your local medical centre or the nearest wellness centres that will soon be activated across the motu. For those living at home, these will be located in Te Puti and Taumaranui, and there will also be a mobile unit that will reach our rural areas. We will let you know when that unit is in your vicinity. We urge all whānau to adhere to government guidelines. We are currently at National Alert Level Status 4. So be extra vigilant, stay safe, stay home, and take care of one another. Kia mau ki te kāwau maro, whanake ake, whanake ake, whanake ake.